Introducing the Aimco AUET-100DC Torque Tester, a cutting-edge digital torque tester designed to bring precision and efficiency to your quality control processes. Engineered by Aimco, this advanced torque tester combines exceptional accuracy with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for various industries. With a high-precision transducer, the AUET-100DC delivers accurate and reliable torque measurements, ensuring confidence in your testing results. Covering a wide torque range from 10 to 100 inch-pounds, this torque tester accommodates a broad spectrum of applications. The 1/4 inch drive size provides versatility and compatibility with a wide range of torque testing needs. The large backlit LCD display offers clear and easy-to-read torque measurements. The included software allows for data logging, analysis, and customization of testing parameters. The AUET-100DC provides both peak and real-time torque measurement modes, enabling you to capture instantaneous torque values or track ongoing torque variations. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Aimco AUET-100DC Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, wide torque range, and user-friendly features make it an essential tool for quality control professionals across various industries. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the ultimate in precision and reliability.